I was so excited when I heard that Singapore has their own public library. I rode the train from Dhoby Ghaut station, then I got off at Somerset station. I was almost lost kasi apart from madaming exit, the names of the exits have Orchard in them. I even asked around pero no one knew where or what library at Orchard is. Weird, right? Actually, nahirapan din akong i-research siya because some say Orchard Library and some say Library at Orchard. But don't be fooled, they're just the same. So, pagkalabas pala ng Somerset Station, you have to go inside Orchard Gateway, which is a mall connected to the station. Then you have to go up 3 floors, and sad to say it wasn't my lucky day. I found out that it is closed for renovation until the second half of 2026. So I just decided to eat. Anyways, let's just eat. I saw this ramen house that's a bit pricey, but I was feeling daw, so I couldn't help it. Okay, so right now, I'm here sa Kanshoku Ramen Bar kasi nag-crave talaga ako ng ramen bigla. I think para maibsan yung disappointment ko, charis. I spent 17.39 SGD, tax included. So the ramen comes with water na rin, so you don't have to buy it separately. The serving was a bit small, but I was full after eating. However, it didn't ease my disappointment, so it's an 8/10. Oh well, baka it's just me. A lot of people eat here, so try nyo rin.